Welcome beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So wanna try KFC chicken at home? So here I have for fried chicken, one skinned chicken, one bowl of water. We have to add some roughly sliced onion, medium onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon, vinegar it's about 3 tablespoons, roughly chopped green chilies. Now we will mix it. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. Also press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. So it's completely mixed now. Now we will put all the chicken in it. Now we have to refrigerate it for 6 hours. Now it's the coating time. For coating, here I have all-purpose flour. I'm taking 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 gram of cornstarch, or you can take corn flour, one tablespoon baking powder, onion powder 1 tablespoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon, now I'm gonna take red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it. Now I'm gonna separate this mix into half. Now it's divided. Now we will add 2 eggs. Now after 6 hours, now I'm gonna drain all the water and pat dry the chicken. Now add half cup of water. Now we will mix it. Mix completely. There is no lumps and you can check the consistency. It should be like this. A little bit thick. Now our oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna place one by one in it. We have to fry it on medium flame for 10 minutes each side, because we have to make sure the chicken is completely tender. So now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna flip it. As you can see, it's golden brown in color. And on the other side, I am making some crispy fries. You can freeze it up to 1 month. Cord like this and freeze it. Whenever you want to eat it or make it, just grab this out and fry it. So this is our final look of KFC fried chicken. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So you can serve it with some buns and coleslaw that I made, and with some ketchups and with some crispy fries. So make this recipe in your home and enjoy with your family. Do share your experience with me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.